Welcome to the laboratory, guys. This is what we're going to be calling the incubation chamber. This is where we're going to put the baby anoles when they are just too small to go in the big tank. Which, right now, experiment 001 is somewhere in there currently. I don't know where exactly, but this is where they're gonna stay soon. And we got some sticks. So we ended up getting these sticks for this tank, for the little anoles whenever they hatch. This stick is gonna be cut for sure soon somewhere, and I will update you guys when we add stuff to the actual tank, which will be literally in a moment. All right, we've cut down the stick into this. This one was before. We've cut down the stick into this. This is going to be the main base. It's going to sit like that, you know, in the tank. It's going to have some greenery around it, probably maybe some other sticks. We're going to cut to whenever, get some dirt in there. All right, we got the dirt in there. We're going to get some rocks. We're going to put this in there soon. I'll keep you guys posted, of course. We got the rocks right here that we're going to put into it. And right now she's smoothing out that top layer of soil. These rocks are gonna look pretty nice in there, along with this stick and some greenery and the lizard all together. You guys will see the vision. So far, this a little idea, but it might not, it's definitely not the final product, of course. This is just us playing around with some sticks and stuff, making it look nice. All right, guys, this is probably how the rocks are gonna be. And this first stick, one small step for lizard kind, one giant leap for Laser Lizard Laboratories. That looks really nice. We should put this in probably first, right in the corner, because that's going to be in the way. That's the water bowl right here. Makeshift water bowl. No one. Hey. Cheaper's better, in my opinion, sometimes. There we go. Now I just need greenery in here and the lizards. And this stick, probably. So we ended up putting this curly spider plant and clover in here, and we're gonna also put this jade plant in here. And last but not least, the big display of this one nice stick that we got. Oh, actually, there's also this other stick. And there we have it. The Anole Incubator. Alright guys, we got it all set up. And now all we need to do is put this Experiment 001 or Sagwoo in there. Where is she? Where are ya? Alright, so we finally found her. She managed to get out of her small thing into the big main tank. So if you haven't seen the short, this is Experiment 001, or otherwise known as Sagwoo. And this is the first one that's going into the incubator. But we're also going to put the other anole eggs in there. Say hello to your new home, Sagwoo. She's probably not going to want to get off my hand because I'm warm. Go on. Go on. Go on. There you go. Look at her go. Some fruit flies in there. So she has plenty to eat. And let's see if she'll even eat. I don't know where she went. Where she go? Oh, I see her. See her tail's right there. It's probably not focused. There, see? In the back, right there. So hard to get it focused with my camera. There we go. She's about to eat. She sees a fruit fly. It's right next to her. No, it went away. Wait. I don't think there's anything anymore. Coming up. Come on, get it. Oh, you missed it. I don't even know if she's hungry. She literally was just born not too long ago. So, oh, well, maybe she is. She is watching them very intently, like she's gonna eat them. If one just gets close enough again, I think she might actually eat it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Get it. Get it, Sagwoo. Oh, she kicked it off. She said, get off me. Alright, we're just gonna let her chill. But this is experiment number 1. And this is the Anole Incubator. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.